How much cornstarch is safe to consume daily?
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be talking about cornstarch and how much of it is safe to consume daily. Cornstarch is a popular ingredient in many recipes, and it's important to know how much we can safely consume. So, let's dive in.
What is cornstarch?
Cornstarch is a fine, powdery substance derived from the endosperm of corn kernels. It is commonly used as a thickening agent in cooking and baking. Cornstarch is a popular ingredient in gravies, sauces, soups, and various desserts. It's important to know the safe daily consumption limit of cornstarch to maintain a healthy diet.
What are the health concerns associated with cornstarch?
Some health concerns related to cornstarch consumption include 1. Allergies. Some individuals may be allergic to corn or corn products, leading to allergic reactions when consuming cornstarch. 2. Blood sugar levels. Since cornstarch is high in carbohydrates, it can cause a spike in blood sugar levels, especially in people with diabetes. 3. Nutritional content. Cornstarch is mostly devoid of any nutritional benefits, as it contains no vitamins, minerals, or fiber.
How much cornstarch is safe to consume daily?
The daily safe consumption limit of cornstarch depends on the individual and their specific dietary needs. However, it is generally recommended to consume cornstarch in moderation. For a healthy adult, the daily recommended carbohydrate intake is about 45 to 65% of total daily calories. As cornstarch is primarily composed of carbohydrates, you should consider it as a part of your total carbohydrate intake. For example, if you consume 2,000 calories per day and aim for 50% carbohydrates, you should consume 1,000 calories, 250 grams, of carbohydrates. However, it's important to note that cornstarch should not make up a significant portion of your carbohydrate intake due to its lack of nutritional value. In conclusion, it's best to consume cornstarch in moderation and focus on including a variety of nutrient-dense, whole food carbohydrates in your diet.
Are there alternatives to cornstarch?
Yes, there are healthier alternatives to cornstarch, such as 1. Arrowroot powder, a gluten-free, grain-free thickening agent that is easily digestible. 2. Tapioca starch, a gluten-free starch derived from cassava root, which can be used as a thickening agent in place of cornstarch. 3. Potato starch, another gluten-free option that can be used as a thickening agent in soups, sauces, and baked goods. To wrap up, it's essential to consume cornstarch in moderation, considering it as part of your total carbohydrate intake. Always prioritize nutrient-dense, whole food carbohydrates for a balanced diet, and explore healthier alternatives to cornstarch when possible. Remember, moderation is key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Happy cooking!